Need to record important phone conversations on your Samsung Galaxy? In this guide, I'll show you how to enable automatic call recording in just a few simple steps. To get started, open the built-in phone app on your Samsung phone. In the upper right corner of the screen, tap the More Options icon, which appears as three vertical dots. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Inside the Phone Settings menu, tap Record Calls. On the next screen, select Auto Record Calls and turn the toggle switch on. If prompted, read through Samsung's terms and conditions regarding call recording and tap Confirm to continue. Once enabled, you can choose how call recording works on your device. Samsung typically offers several recording options. All calls automatically records every incoming and outgoing call. Calls with unsaved numbers records calls only from numbers that are not stored in your contacts. Calls with specific numbers lets you create a custom list of contacts or phone numbers that will always be recorded. After selecting your preferred option, your Samsung phone will begin recording calls according to the settings you chose. Recorded calls can usually be accessed from the phone app's call recording section, where you can listen to, manage, or delete recordings as needed. That's it. Call recording is now enabled on your Samsung phone. If the option is missing, it may not be supported in your region.